Good afternoon, children. We go through the lesson The Foolish Cat. Already we have completed this lesson explanation about the lesson The Foolish Cats. What is foolishness? Foolish అంటే తెలివి తక్కువతనంగా ఆలోచించడం. తెలివి తక్కువతనం. అవునా? This is the lesson about the two foolish cats. Foolish అంటే తెలివి లేని వాళ్ళు. దానికి అపోజిట్ ఏంటి? Wise. 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 చాలా ఆలోచన శక్తితో ఆలోచించే విధానం. Wise. These are the Ding and Dong. Two are the foolish cats here in the story. One day they got a burger, and each other they are quarreling with each other for that burger, one burger. By seeing this fighting, one monkey, its name is Lanky. I'll give the two pieces for you, and then it said, the monkey said. After that, when it broken into two pieces, one became larger, one became smaller. Then the larger one, bigger one, the monkey has eaten, and another one became larger, and again it is eaten by the monkey. The last piece became very small. The monkey got the cunning monkey. It is a cunningness. The monkey got the whole burger. With its foolishness of these cats did not get anything. It is the foolishness of Ding and Dong, the story in the lesson. Okay, na? Let us go through the summative and formative assessment. The young one of cat is called a kitten, dog, puppy, cow, cub, lion, cub, and sheep, lamb, horse, called. These are the young ones. Okay, answer these questions. Already we have completed these question answers. Let us go through the make 5 sentences from the table. In a village, there was some mango juice. Any 5 sentences we can form from this box. Okay, children, this is the practice for you. Okay, here they are given some words to us, and with these words we can make some sentences. In a village, in a bottle, you should also copy this word sama. Box. In a class, in a room. Okay, here they are given empty, and there was, and there were. Okay, and some sentences, some words are there to complete this sentence. In a village, dash, there was vastunda, there were vastunda. Some mango juice, 40 children, many biscuits, a house, two baskets of mangoes. In a village, there was a house. In a bottle, there was vastunda, there were vastunda. In a bottle, there was some mango juice. In a box, when we use singular, was. When we are talking about plural ante more than one, plural, 2 or 3, more than one plural. ఒకటైతే పెన్ను ఉన్నది. There was a mango juice in a bottle. There was in a bottle, there was some mango juice. Some అన్న కొంచెం కదా. In a bottles అంటే there were వస్తుంది. Okay, in a class లో ఒకరే స్టూడెంట్ ఉంటారు, No, more than one. Kabatti, there were. In a class, there were 40 children. There were 40 children. There was radu. Okkaru. There was a one child ante, there was a student ante one, there was vastundi. There were 40 children, more than one kabatti. In a class, there were 40 children. In a room, there were 2 baskets of mangoes. Oka room lo 2 baskets of mangoes unnai. There were 2 baskets of mangoes. Okay, and fill in the blanks with between or among. Between is used with 2 persons or things. Between అనేది ఇద్దరు మధ్యలో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు, రెండు వస్తువుల గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు between యూజ్ చేస్తాం. among, between అనేది ఇద్దరు గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు, between and among. between అనేది ఇద్దరు గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు, ఇద్దరు వస్తువుల గురించో మనుషుల గురించి. and among is used with more than 2 people or thing. ఇద్దరు గురించి మాట్లాడేది between వస్తుంది. more than 2 అనేది among the people వస్తుంది. he stood dash his daughter and son. between వస్తుందా among వస్తుందా? ఇక్కడ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? daughter and son, 2 people are there. he stood between. ఈ పేజ్ నంబర్ 16 అమ్మాయి, పేజ్ నంబర్ 16. he stood, అతను నిలబడ్డాడు. ఎక్కడ? his daughter and son. among his daughter వస్తుందా between వస్తుందా? between. he stood between his daughter and son. he stood between his daughter and son. our friends shared sweets themselves. themselves అంటే more than 2 కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. వాళ్ళందరూ స్వీట్స్ పంచుకున్నారు అంటే among వస్తుంది. themselves అంటే more than 2 కూడా కావచ్చు. అవునా? కాబట్టి our friends shared sweets among themselves. she divided the cake dash her 5 children. 5 అంటే more than 2 కాబట్టి among వస్తుంది. she divided the cake among her 5 children. there is no difference dash these 2 books. there is no difference. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నారు? మళ్ళీ they are given mention to 2 కాబట్టి there was no difference between these 2 books. the family is always quarreling. family లో not only 2, more than 2 ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి the family is always quarreling among themselves. he sat dash his 2 sisters between. చూడండి, మీరు కూడా కాపీ చేసుకోవాలమ్మా. 4th bit, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 4th bit లో ఫస్ట్ వన్ between, 2 only, they are daughter and son, first one. and the second one among, third one among, fourth one between, fifth one among, sixth one between. Okay, better you copy in your book amma. better to take textbooks, then you can go through this grammar. meeku grammar anna nechukunte it is very useful. whenever it is useful, always it is useful while you are making sentences, while you are talking in our daily life also. when you get these textbooks, then only you can write in the textbook. okay na? and notice these sentences. okay, cut it into equal parts. cut it into equal parts. దీన్ని ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ లాగా కట్ చేయండి. దీని మీనింగ్. నౌ ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్. సిరి హ్యాస్ అన్ యాపిల్. ప్రియా అండ్ అరుణ్ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ సమ్ apples. సిరి కట్స్ హర్ యాపిల్ into 2. సిరి కట్స్ హర్ యాపిల్ into 2. ప్రియా కట్స్ హర్ యాపిల్ into 5. Arun cuts his apple into 8. How many pieces of apples are there? There are 10 pieces of apples. Okay, if they are divided dash 3, how many pieces will Priya get? If they are divided into 3, how many pieces will Priya get? Okay. Oh no, said dog, still holding the burger between his teeth. Can you make 2 sentences using the word between? It is a fighting. One sentence. The fighting is going on in this lesson between Dingle and dog. Okay. Fighting between. They fighting in this lesson. Fighting about burger between Ding and Dong. Ding and Dong. We can write like this. Okay. Words book. Pick up words from the passage with meaning of the following. Going around to catch some mice. And eatable. Just listen, Amma. And eatable like a sandwich. Shouting and hitting each other. Very clever. 2 of the same size. Sad, ashamed. Sad, ashamed. Siggupadtho కూర్చున్నారు. And comprehension. Here is a story. Complete it using words from the brackets. Bone, bridge. What are the words they are given? What are the words they are given? Here they are given. Here they are given words. Bone, bridge, over, like, it, barked, also, happy, back, over, down, took. Okay, here they are given some words to complete the story. Bone, bridge, over, like, it, barked, also, happy, back, over, down, took. One day Blackie, the dog, got a bone. He was very happy. When the dog got bone, he was very happy. He wanted to hide his dash on the other side of the stream. Back. Hide to back. వెనకాల దాపెట్టుకోవడానికి. ఒక రోజు బ్లాకీ అనే డాగ్ కి బోన్ దొరకడం వల్ల it is very happy and he wanted to hide his దాపెట్టుకోవడానికి బ్యాక్ లో దాపెట్టుకోవడానికి he wanted to hide his back on the other side of the stream. There was only a wooden dash across the stream. Wooden emundi? Wooden bridge. Wooden bridge. We have completed this bone and happy. No, bone kaadu. Happy and back bridge. We have completed, no? Okay. Wooden bridge across a stream. Blackie dash the bone in his mouth. Blackie took the bone in his mouth. Blackie took the bone in his mouth and walked the dash bridge. He looked dash from the middle of the bridge. He saw a dog exactly him in the water. It dash had a bone in his mouth. Blackie looked dash the dog in the water and the dog looked. Dash Blackie growled. This is a story you can write. This is a homework to you. Page number 18 and bit number 8. With this you can make one of the story with yourself. Otherwise it is there in the textbook, you can write. Okay, read the story once again and answer these questions. How did Blackie feel when he got the bone? Where did the when you complete this 8th bit, then you can write you are able to write the 9th bit. Okay, read the story once again and answer these questions. How did Blackie feel when he got the bone? It is very happy. Where did he want to hide his bone? At the back of another side of a stream. What did he see in the water? And what did Blackie do when the dog in the water looked at him? What happened to the dog in the water when the bone fell down? And one more is conversation skills. Conversation skills. Okay, what is conversation? Talking with each other. It means between two persons or more than two persons. Okay, here the two members are there. Srija and Rema are classmates. Here is a conversation between them. Ikkada evari madhyala conversation undi manaki? Srija and Rama. Srija and Rama. Srija emantundi? Will you please lend me your pencil, Rema? Nee pencil naku istava? Srija is asking to Rema. Will you please lend me your pencil, Rema? Rema emantundi? Sorry Srija, I am using it. Shall I give you my pen? Oh no, I am using this pencil. I won't give you. I am using this pencil. If you want, I will give you pen for you. Okay, Srija. Thank you, Rama. I shall write with the pen. Okay, Rama. Srija replied. Thank you, Rama. I shall write with pen. Rama. Okay. Will you take it from my bag? Okay. You will take my pen from the bag. Srija. Yes, I shall take it. Now make teams of two. Repeat the conversation using different things like books, crayons, colors, pencils or anything else you want. Hearts activity. Give other names to Ding and Dong, Lanky and tell the story. You can change it as you like. Okay. Say aloud. Here some words are given here. Okay. Bag, bed. Hat, head. Gas, guess. Land, lend. Man, men. Sad, said. Pan, pen. Sand, send. Mat, met. Sat, said. These are the repeated words. Why? Because while we listening, it will be just like while we are listening, same. But spelling is different and the meaning also it is different. Again, bed, bed. Hat, head. Gas, guess. Land, lend. Man, men. Sad, said. Pan, pen. Sand, send. Mat, met. Sat, said. Fun time. Get a packet of biscuits. Make as many teams of 3 as you can. It is a play for you. Okay? Get a packet of biscuits. Make as many teams of 3 as you can. One team of 3 acts as Ding, Dong and Lanky with one biscuit. Then the second team can act with another biscuit. Then the third team can. And the team which gets the highest marks gets the rest of the biscuits. The teacher gives marks out of 10 for the acting. Okay, this is a fun time for you. And here is the grammar is there. It is page number 20. Page number 20. Here is one story has given Shell and Will.